This is the brief on the year 2038 problem. A technical shortcut from the dawn of computing threatens to glitch our systems. But hey, it's not the internet apocalypse it sounds like. What actually happens when the digital world simply runs out of seconds to count? First, let's look at the cause. In the 70s, programmers created Unix time, which is basically a giant digital stopwatch counting every single second since January 1st, 1970. But on January 19th, 2038, older 32-bit systems will hit their maximum capacity. They're going to overflow and jump backward to December 13th, 1901. It's exactly like an old car odometer maxing out at 99,999 and rolling right back to zero. This totally confuses any software relying on chronological order for things like digital certificates or financial transactions. Now, you might immediately picture Y2K and total internet collapse, right? But second, here's why the core internet won't actually break. Major data centers and modern operating systems like Linux and Windows have already upgraded to 64-bit architectures, giving us a practically infinite capacity for future dates. Plus, our decentralized web is incredibly resilient to local failures. So if big tech is already updated, who actually needs to be sweating right now? Well, finally, the true danger zone is legacy tech. We're talking medical and industrial equipment that requires years of certifications to change, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. By 2035, we're going to have over 50 billion connected devices. Think about it. How often do your smart appliances or factory sensors actually get software updates? These install-and-forget devices might completely malfunction when they can no longer process the correct date. Ultimately, 2038 isn't an expiration date for the internet, but rather a massive, mandatory digital housekeeping deadline for our oldest and most ignored devices.